Alright, next on the bench we got a super clean, super cherry Palomar linear. We're gonna crack the tins on it and see what we got under the hood. My friend said that he shut it off, and next time he went to turn it on, it just wouldn't turn on. So he said he checked the fuse, looked good. So let's crack these tins off of this baby, see what we got. That's next on the bench on Psychotech Labs. Okay, you can see we got original caps, original diodes, so we're going to replace all that stuff. Yes, we are. Just going to get some new high voltage caps and new diodes. Oh baby, let's get to doing that right about now. It's one of my pet peeves right here. This is a schematic. This is a linear. This is a Palomar 300, Skipper 300. Okay, this shit looks all factory to me. Alright, now we have the standby switch, and it shows it here. This is half the standby switch. Okay, it's showing it's hooked to the output of this transformer, goes through this switch, then up to a 10-watt resistor, and then in between these capacitors. Okay, here's a wire. It's hooked between the capacitors. There's no standby switch, and yeah, the rectifier bridge here. So it's showing part of the transformer going directly into that. There's supposed to be a resistor in line. There isn't. The configuration of these diodes is not the same as this, and yet this all looks factory to me. So this part of the schematics is totally useless to me. I went online and checked, and that's the correct schematic. So yeah, another case where here's a linear, pretty much factory. The guy had been using it, he just shut it off, turned it on, and then it wouldn't turn back on. Okay, so gotta recap it, gotta put diodes in it. So just a little something I noticed, totally not the same as that schematic. So there's my rant for now. Psychotech Labs signing off. We'll continue this project in a few. Welcome back to Psychotech Labs. Okay, so we got the new diodes put in the high voltage stage, new capacitors. So this capacitor right here, and then there's one little diode down there. That's for the King circuit, 12 volts ish. So we gotta replace those because those go out all the time too. Then after that we gotta replace the power switch. Somebody's replaced it with something funky, so we're gonna put the right switch in there. After that we'll be ready to variac test it. I know, right? Super scary variac testing. Okay, we're going to replace those parts and then set up the bench for the variac test, and yeah, let's get her done. Okay, you guys have probably already guessed what time it is. That's right, it's Mr. Variac time. Okay, we got the new switch installed, and hopefully we got it installed right. It should be on. Variac's plugged in. This is plugged into the Variac. Start bringing the power up on it. Heard a little relay click. I had the preamp on. Here we go. 120 volts. Excuse me. Tubes are lit. Meter lights on. Fans working. Yay, it turns on. But does it put out power? Well, I hate to do it to you guys, but you're going to have to stand by and wait till tomorrow. I had to go shopping, so that burned up part of my afternoon. I wanted to get home and finish this thing up. So, heck yeah, man. We're ready to throw some RF in it tomorrow and see what the heck it does. Thanks for watching my videos. Psychotech Labs will be back tomorrow. We're going to throw some RF power in this thing and see if it's going to be happy and I'm going to be happy. Because then my friend that owns it will be happy. And that's what we want. Everybody to be happy. That's Psychotech Labs. Righty ho. Yep. Today's the day. We see if we're going to make some power with the old Skipper 300. So, turn it on, warm it up. Everything's lighting. So, we replaced the power switch. We put a knob on the back for tuning. Replaced the high voltage capacitors, high voltage diodes. Replaced the low voltage capacitor, low voltage diode. This thing should be ready to rock. So let's cross our fingers and pray to God keep us safe and let this thing work and let's get her done. So, put her in operate. Hello. Audio. Hello. Okay, so we're on low power. 160 audio. On the almost 200, that's low power. We'll go to high power. And yeah, I'm going to peg that 200 watt scale. Audio. Audio. about 425-ish. That's about what they normally do. Audio. Okay, we're going to call this a wrap. Yes, we are. So, another Skipper 300 done. My friend will be happy to have his baby back. Okay, that's it for this episode of Psychotech Labs. Next on the bench, we're going to have a Galaxy Saturn that belongs to the same friend of mine. He needs me to check it out, see how it's doing, so we're going to do that next. Thanks for watching my videos. Y'all have a good day. Psychotech Labs signing off.